Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about scale systems on Supreme mixers. So just recently announced Dynamica General, so if you look at your scale head it'll say DG on it. They've come out with a Bluetooth app and a Bluetooth module that you can add to your DG 500 or 600 scale head. So what it does is, on those days where it's windy or it's snowing or it's dusty, this allows you to be able to look at your scale weight from your phone or from a tablet in the cab of the machine via Bluetooth. There's a bunch of flexibility inside of that app where you can add feed sheets and different things like that, but the main thing is that you get that display inside your cab via Bluetooth. It is compatible only with some of the newer scale heads, so what you got to do is take a picture of the bottom of your scale where all the ports are to make sure that it has the right port to connect that module in there, and then send it into the parts department so you can text it to the main number. Parts department will get it, they can look at it, and then they can get you a price on what it costs for that module. It looks like it's going to be around that $1,000 to $1,200 mark, so kind of reasonable, a lot better than adding a second scale indicator. But take a picture, text it in, and then we can help you out. Thanks for watching.